How to request or download your TikTok data. Start out on your profile page. Next, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, type Settings and Privacy. Sometimes it may take you to a new page. Just look for this gear icon and tap on that. From here, tap on Accounts. Next, towards the bottom of this menu, tap on Download Your Data. If you've never done this before, you'll need to request a copy of your data. Under Select Data to Download, you can either select all data, or you can choose specific things like your messages, your activity, posts from your profile, and so on. For now, I'll leave it on all data. Under Select File Format, you can choose between TXT or JSON. I recommend TXT unless you have a specific reason to choose JSON, in which case you'd already probably know what it is. So let's choose TXT. Now, tap on Request Data. You can see a box popped up that said your data request is being processed. The exact length of time for this can take anywhere between a few seconds to a few days, depending on how much data there is to get. Thankfully, we can see that mine's already done. You can now download it by tapping the Download button. This will send a 6-digit code to the phone number you have on file. Let's quickly grab that. Be sure to tap on the Send Code button, because it will not be sent automatically until you tap this button. Now that I've got the code, I'll type it in. You can see that it will open Safari or whatever default browser you're using on your phone. You can now download the data. From here, just open it in your Files app on your phone or your download manager, and you should be able to view all the data directly on your phone. That's it. Before you go, check this out.